Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to give myself an acid peel, for a chemical peel. They charge so much at the doctors, and I've been doing these for a while for myself, and I just thought I'd show you real quick what I do. I'm not a professional, but this is just what I do, and it's been a lot of research, and I watched dermatologists, and I've been giving them to myself for a long time, and I know they're really expensive. So I start off with these, and of course, you dermaplane your face. Very slowly, it will exfoliate and get all the hair off. I already did this before I got on the video, but the short strokes, because you don't want the razor blade to cut into your skin. That would be horrible. So these are by Shiseido, the Japanese company. I love these. You can order them on Amazon. So all those baby hairs are off. Okay, so now here's what I do. I do mine with lactic acid for now. So from Planet Earth, I use this 88% lactic acid, and I have my sink down here. I filled it with cool water and just 2 tablespoons of baking soda, so that I'll have something to rinse it off with. It starts to fizz. It deactivates the acid, or I don't know what the wording is. But there's also this serum here that I got with it. This is the Exfoliate Glow. It's organic botanical skin peel neutralizer. That's what it does. The baking soda is a neutralizer. So I feel when I put this neutralizer and I spray it on top of the lactic acid after, I'm going to try for 2 minutes this time. Usually after 60 seconds is more than enough. You do it twice a week, 60 seconds, then try it after 45 seconds. If it's too much pain, then just stop yourself and start again. You just do it literally in second increments, like 45, 60, 75 seconds, 90 seconds, up to 120. So that's what I've done. So I have this, but I also have baking soda. So this baking soda and water is also a very good neutralizer. So I'm going to pour some in a paper bowl, a little bit of my lactic acid. And also I have this. I have different serums because I have a mask maker. But this one is Retinol and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's by the same company. So that can go on after we rinse our face off and we get the acid off the face. And it hurts. It does hurt. So I'm just going to take a little bit. Ooh, come on, hair. Geez, how do you tell a woman dyes her hair blonde? Because she sheds. She sheds. So I'm just going to use a paper bowl. And I'm just going to use a little tiny bit. Ooh, a little bit goes a long way. It's a little thick. And you don't want to pile it on your face because it'll eat your face off. See, there's just... can you even see how much is in there? No. Oh, yeah, you can. It's just a little bit. So I'll take the brush, front and back. Okay. And we are going to start up and work our way down as fast as we can. And then we start to time it because it's already working on a freshly shaven face, but it's called dermaplane. Oh my God, it's burning already. Oh, it's burning. But that's what you want, Beauty is pain, folks. Beauty is pain. You want to peel off that first to second layer. Get to all that new skin. Get rid of the scars and the smell is not good. There's another kind of acid you could use. It's not hyaluronic. It's okay. All right, it's on. Okay, so I'm going to leave it on for, I'm going to try 2 minutes. Okay, so 2 minutes. All right, stop, restart, start. So in that time, I'm rinsing off my brush. If you could hear it in the baking soda, you would hear it fizzing. So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to deactivate it twice. We're in only 15 seconds and oh God, it burns. Oy, oy, oy. I'm deactivating and getting it, we're just rinsing this off. But it does do wonders for the skin. It really does. And with the season changing, all I'm doing now is I'm trying to dry the brush. Oof. Oh, it burns. Ooh, 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 ooh. This helps. You have a fan. Oh my gosh. So I'm at 49 seconds. And because I started at the top, we know it's longer than that, but we want to try and get an exact time. And if I can hold it for 2 minutes, I'm a Chad. I'm the female version of a Chad. What is that? A Jane? I don't even know. Francis. Oh, okay. So it's... Ooh, it burns. It burns, it burns, it burns. But the funniest thing is when you put when you rinse the face with the Alka-Seltzer, with the baking soda, it feels like it's a big bath of Alka-Seltzer. All right, so I'm at 1 minute and 20 seconds now. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna put my brush back. Okay. All right, I'm at 90 seconds in. It's been 1.5 minutes. And ooh, the burning is real. So I'm going to start at 150. I think I can't do it anymore. I'm going to put on the skin peel neutralizer. I'm just going to, all right, at 2 minutes. Hold on, we got 6 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm stopping my clock. My phone is down there. Okay, ready? Spray the neutralizer. Don't talk. Ooh. Bubbling and peeling. Now, water. Oh. Oh, I got in my lips. Oh. And you're gonna keep doing the cool water. Oh, until your face doesn't sting out anymore. Oh. And it's not bubbling. Oh, Jimmy. But you feel how soft it is, and it's like, oh, so worth it. Oh. Now, granted, you can go to the doctor's office, pay a few $100s, and they use the big chemicals on you. This, it would just take you a little longer to get the same results because you have to increase the time, little by little. So now I'm going to take, so you want to use the hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid holds in moisturizer. And the retinol serum also takes care of those. You see all these wrinkles and fine lines. And you just want to rub that in your face. Because that is the best way. The serum will just soak in. It just will. Because you see how it's eating everything? I'm so red. I don't know if it's coming through. But I am so red. Oof. It looks like some of my skin, I wonder if I nicked myself because it kind of looks like maybe I'm bleeding a little bit somewhere. But, okay, so I put the hyaluronic on. So this is acid on top of acid, clearly. So then what I'm going to do, okay, so that's done. Rinse my fingers off. Okay. rinse the hands, dry the hands, and now let's get into a little bit of our Saturday skin. Love this stuff. A little bit of the Saturday skin. Very good moisturizer. So we'll put the moisturizer on top of the serum to give it something to hold on to. And it'll create a layer, a nice barrier. Nice barrier. And since some got on my lips, I'm going to exfoliate my lips with, I have a nice milk product. Oof, it's tough up here. Yikes. But, oh my gosh. You know, it's that good pain. I probably should have done it for 30 seconds less. But I'm going to use this. This is my milk. It's the Cush Lip Scrub with Peppermint. It's so good. So I'm just going to go ahead and exfoliate my lips. Because we're exfoliating the skin. Yeah, it's more than I love this product. This is the bomb. Cush products, made out of Cush. Excellent, excellent. I wish it would come in a different flavor other than mint, though. You know, that's why I love. Which one is it? This one, no. One is Tarte. Okay, the Glam Glow Pouty Mud, not that one. This one, the Jeffries, or is it this one? All right, this one is a really nice lip scrub too. This one's by Tarte also. Well, one is by Tarte, one is by Glam Glow, but this one comes, it's a weird kind of lip moisturizer. It comes in a little silver spear. And you just literally, when you put it on, it comes in a color. So I'll put this on the exfoliator because it's a good moisturizer. But it makes your lips bubblegum pink. Such good stuff. All right. And we'll leave that on. And then maybe later before bed, I'll give it a spritz of this. This stuff is just bomb. I use it all the time. It's the Watermelon Glow. The Glow Recipe. I can't see, I don't have my glasses on. Watermelon Ultrafine Mist. I mean, this thing is as great as a primer. It's good when your face is thirsty. If you don't have one of those water sprayers, you just put the watermelon on. And you want to make sure your hair is out of your way for sure. You know, pulled back. You see, everything is, it looks severe, but these are growing back because last time I dermaplaned my face, I shaved it off and I shaved, yeah. So you want to take care of that. And that is how I gave myself a chemical peel. And as long as you have everything out and ready to go, it's really quick. And this is it. So I'll let the moisturizer set in. You don't do your eyelids. Don't forget this skin right here. This is the thinnest skin on your face. It's like paper. So you don't want to do too much damage under here or your eyelids. Eyelids are sensitive. So just avoid those. You can moisturize them. Oh, you know what? Here, I have Dr. Brandt's Retinol Serum. So I do have some Retinol Serum. So here, we'll do this. We'll put some Dr. Brandt's Retinol Serum on the crow's feet. A little bit, right? Spread it with your pinky. Don't pull, don't tug, because then you're going to cause more wrinkles. And a little hint. Eye serum is also really good for the cracks around your mouth. It really is. Just outside, not on your lips, but around your lips. Just a little beauty tip. Just a little beauty tip. Okay, thank you for watching, and that is my skincare routine. I try to do this twice a week, if I can. Well, you start off doing it once a week because your skin just can't handle it. You will literally be climbing the walls, but that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have any questions, please post them down below. I will absolutely get back to you, and I hope your night is wonderful. Sleep well. Mwah. Bye.